Welcome to LyFiveElements, where we are dedicated to sharing the wisdom of traditional Chinese metaphysics with the world. Our mission is to teach complex subjects like the four pillars of destiny, Qi, Feng Shui, and more in simple, easy to understand English. Subscribe and share our content to help spread this ancient knowledge. Your support is what drives us forward. We also offer personalized one-on-one consultations to guide you on your metaphysical journey. Feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly for more information. Thank you for being part of our community. Hello everyone, I'm Marvin. In the previous lesson, we explored the 12 life stages and the 5 different states of the 5 elements. Today, we will provide the luck formula to chart your life's fortune. The ancient scholars categorized the energy of each of the 5 elements into 5 states: prosperous, supportive, resting, restrained, and date. These states correspond to different trends in energy: rapid rise, slow rise, steady rise or horizontal, slow decline, and rapid decline. For individuals with strong constitutions and weak constitutions, the energy states that they experience under these conditions can be explained as follows. Prosperous. This state signifies a rapid increase in energy. For a person with a strong individual, this phase enhances their strength and brings about favorable conditions, boosting their luck and capabilities. For a person with a weak individual, the increased energy can help balance their deficiencies, improving their overall situation. Supportive. This state indicates a slow rise in energy. For a strong individual, this gradual increase helps support continued growth and stable improvement in their circumstances. For a weak individual, this supportive phase helps them to gradually strengthen, providing a stable improvement over time. Resting. This state represents steady and sustained energy. For a strong person, this phase is a period of maintaining strength without significant changes, allowing them to rest and consolidate their gains. For a weak person, the resting state provides a stable environment, neither improving nor worsening their condition significantly. Restrained. This state describes a slow decline in energy. For a strong individual, this period might signify a time to be cautious, as their energy gradually decreases, potentially leading to minor challenges. For a weak individual, the slow decline can lead to a more noticeable difficulties, as their already limited resources are further restrained. Date. This state indicates a rapid decline in energy. For a strong person, this phase can be particularly challenging, as the rapid loss of energy leads to significant obstacles and potential downturns in their life. For a weak person, this state can be very detrimental, exacerbating their vulnerabilities and leading to critical issues or failures. In summary, the energy states of the 5 elements interact differently with individuals, depending on their inherent strength. Strong individuals tend to handle declining phases better and can take advantage of rising phases more effectively, while weak individuals may struggle more during declining phases, but benefit significantly from rising phases. Please see the next lesson where we continue discussing on the overall luck formula. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and share to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Your support fuels our passion to keep creating. Any questions or need personalized guidance? Leave us a comment or get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being part of the LY5Elements family. If anything is unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to discuss and explore these topics with you. And for those of you who want to understand your Bazi chart but find the learning process too complicated, you can always message me for a one-on-one consultation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support truly motivates me to keep sharing this knowledge. See you in the next lesson.